There was nothing to say the day she left. I just pulled the suitcase full of regrets, and I held the taxi in the rain, looking for some place to ease the pain. Yeah, then like an answered prayer, I turned around and found you there. You really know where to start.